Get ready to live like royalty in Oxford's top-ranking student accommodation. Nestled in a picturesque setting, Dorset House is a well-known student housing made up of 7 blocks surrounding a beautifully landscaped garden. Stay in one of the stylish and fully furnished studio or ensuite rooms complete with comfy beds, a sleek study table, spacious wardrobe, along with your very own bathroom. And when hunger strikes, you can cook up a storm or share a midnight snack with your friends in the well-equipped kitchen. The social spaces here are equally impressive too. Get to know your amazing neighbors in the spacious common area, complete with foosball, a pool table, and plenty of comfy seats, or take a break and unwind in the outdoor social space basking in the sun. Situated on London Road, Dorset House is just a 10-minute walk from Oxford Brookes University, and the frequent bus services will bring you to Oxford University and its colleges in the same amount of time. On weekends, head over to Rick's for the best hot chocolate in town, or take a stroll around the streets of Oxford overflowing with great food and excellent shopping spots. So why settle for anything less? Choose Oxford's pride and joy, Dorset House, and experience the best student accommodation in town. Book your room today at amberstudent.com.